Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I'm getting a little bit of concrete work done at my house today, and we needed a pump to get the concrete in the backyard. Now, if you know anything about concrete pump, guys, normally they got a 10-year-old truck that's beat to crap, and they're pulling a trailer behind it with a pump on it that's leaking oil and is covered in concrete. This guy here has got a very, very nice setup, nice, and it's a lean setup. Let me show you what we got. So first off, it's on a big 550 chassis. Got the nice chrome wheels on it, keeps it nice looking good. It runs on a PTO setup, and so he's got all the hydraulic pump and everything here just running off of the truck. They've got water storage on here that's on the truck, and then they got their hoses. They got the sides fold down on it. All their hoses and everything sit right in here, and then their pumps back here, so nice and super clean. And then he's got a hose reel there underneath there for his water. And just a super nice rig. Boxes on the side here for storing his stuff in. No lid on it, so you got access to it. Nothing's gonna come out. All the control here. And then when he's running, he's got a remote control that ties into the hydraulic system and the PTO system to raise the power and stuff. But nice, clean, organized, everything. Thrown in, very, very nice setup.